Hello everyone, as iOS 26 public beta is released, today I am going to show you how you can install iOS 26 public beta to your iPhone. For this, go to Safari and search developerapple.com. Then, click on Account and sign in your account. Enter your email and password. Then they are going to send you an authentication code. You have to enter the code. Then you are going to accept the agreement. After accepting the agreement, head towards Settings, tap on General, click on Software Update. And see you have beta update now. Click on any update you want. After some time of loading, it will going to show you an update. You can update it now and at night. That's all. Subscribe.